Hi sir, thank you for coming today. Unfortunately, meron lang po important call si Sir Medo, so it will take 10 to 15 minutes.
It's fine. Anyways, saan nga pala yung main office nyo dito?
Dito lang po sir, then turn right, makikita niyo yung main door.
Okay. Siya nga pala, pakaredy na lang din ng mga gamit ko. Kasi for sure ako yung mga hard dito eh.
Okay po.
Wow! Tumatanggap pa pala sila ng mga labor dito. Hulaan ko. Karpentero ka, no? Halatang-halata naman sa kalyo ng kamay mo eh. Mukhang sanay na sanay kang bumuhat ng semento, tsaka bato. Marunong kang humawak ng pala, no? Tsaka magaling ka rin maghalo ng semento. Tsaka, halatang-halata naman sa hubog ng katawan mo eh. Teka, alam ko na to eh. Ito yung sikat ngayon eh. Yung diploma o diskarte. Ikaw na ngayon di pinili ng diploma. Pero yung diskarte yung pinili, pero palpak yung diskarte. Alam mo, ito na lang, promise ko sa'yo to. Pag ako yung natanggap dito, just pumirma ako sa kontrata. Gagawin kitang kargador. Tsaka para naman malaki-laki yung sahod mo. Para mukhang di naman kasi sakto yung sahod mo sa pamilya mo ngayon. Tsaka nakakaawa ka kasi. Mukhang hirap na hirap ka na sa buhay mo eh. Ano nga pala pangalan mo? Wow, ganyan ba talaga pag usap yung mga mayayaman, nag-walk out?
Sir, tawag na po kayo ni Sir Medo.
Okay.
Hi, Mr. Derek. According to your CV, you already have a nice background, and I can see from here you are as a professional.
Yes, I'm a professional licensed engineer.
Wow, what a nice attitude.
Of course. Well, I should not be saying this. I'm a valedictorian in my school. So you guys will be lucky to have me.
Good. Congrats, you are hired already. Isha,
Yes, sir.
please, can you process his papers and ID also?
Okay, sure.
He's hired already. Oh, boss!
Boss,
Good afternoon.
No, stay seated. Hi, gandang araw.
Boss, you'll be shocked. This guy, in this young age, is already a professional licensed engineer. And also, his CV and his background, so professional.
Wow.
That's why I hire him. So professional. And also, his background is so nice. He will help us too much.
Wow. But I'm sorry to say, I don't like him.
Why?
Misha, don't process her papers, okay? Just wait for my signal.
Sir, bakit naman po?
Actually, sa credential, lahat naman ng ano, wala naman ako masasabi. Matalino ka. Let me ask you something. Alam mo ba yung tunog ng lata na may laman?
Yes, sir. Walang ingay.
Yung walang laman.
Maingay.
Exactly. Yan yung pinakita mo sa akin kanina. Para kang lata na walang laman. The way you talk, the way you judge people.
Sorry.
Magsilbing aral sana sa'yo. Huwag masyadong maingay. Stay humble. Actually, don't worry. You're hired pa rin. Sana yung talino mo gamitin mo sa tama, ha?
Sorry
Huwag tayo
po.
maging puro maingay, ha?
I'm sorry
So,
po.
paano? Congratulations! So, pwede ka na ba maging kargador ko? Just kidding, ha? So, Isha, just process his paper, okay? So, may meeting pa ako. Una na ako, ha? Medo.
Okay, boss.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Have a good day.
Congratulations again.